Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how you can use your Cricut cutting machine to draw on material. So I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker today, and I'm also going to be using a fabric grip mat. I've got a Cricut brayer, I have a washable fabric pen, a piece of material, and this is just natural calico. So to create the design we're going to use, we just need to head into Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. We're going to skip straight to a blank canvas. And down here we can see it's presenting us with quite a few designs. Just for the purpose of this, we're going to select one of those. So I'm going to select the two little lines at the top and select the free designs. So if you're not a Cricut Access member, then you will get access to all of these free designs. If you do pay for Cricut Access, then obviously there'll be more options open to you. So we're just going to keep scrolling through all of the designs until you see something that you think you would like to draw on your material. I'm going to select this cute little kawaii cupcake. So as we can see now, we've selected that, it's popped it on our canvas. I'm just going to keep it to be the same size as the design because it is quite a good size, being 4 inches high. In order to draw with our pen, we need to change the operation from basic cut. So we're going to select the little triangle, and now it's going to give us an option to either draw, foil, score, emboss, engrave. So we're going to choose pen, and that's going to draw it, and as you can see now it's changed the look of the design. If we now head over to make, we're not going to save our project, we're going to select on the mat. It's a 12 by 12 mat size. We're going to confirm that, and now it's showing us where it wants us to place our piece of material, and it's just going to pop it up in that top left hand corner. To prepare our material now, we need to make sure that we've got a piece of material big enough to cover the size of the design, and we're going to pop that up in the top left hand corner like it showed. It is best to make sure that your material is as crinkle free as possible, so if it is a bit crinkly, just give it a bit of an iron to try and smooth it out. Once it's placed on the mat, and the mat is quite sticky, but we're still going to use our brayer, and I'm going to secure that down, and that will also eliminate any creases or bubbles that we may have in the material. We do want the material to be as flat as possible, so it gives the best opportunity for the pen to draw on it. Now the material's prepared on the mat, we just need to prepare our pen. This is a washable fabric pen that I'm using today, but you could use any of the Cricut pens to draw on the material. And to install the pen, we're going to open clamp A, and we're going to pop in the pen, and we're going to push it down until we hear it click, and then that's when we know that it's firmly in place, and we're just going to shut the lever across to hold it firmly. We don't need to worry about the cutting blade, we're not doing a cut, so that blade will not be used, so we can just leave that in there, that's not a problem. Then we need to load in our mat. Back in Cricut Design Space now, we're back on the prepare mat, and we can see where our design is. So now we need to click on continue. Now we need to look for the type of material that we're going to use. So to do that, we're going to browse all material, and we can scroll down, and here it's showing all the different types of fabric. The material I'm going to use today is calico, so I'm going to select calico and click done, and there we can see now that's what it set the material to be. We don't have to change any of the pressure, it's detected the pen and it's showing that that's installed. Now we're ready to click the flashing Cricut button on our machine and start drawing. Once the design's been drawn and is finished, we just need to remove the mat from the Cricut machine. To remove our Cricut pen, we're just going to open the lever, and then it will allow us to pull out the pen and then close the lever behind it. And now we're left with our piece of material with our drawing on it. So now we can carefully remove that. And now you should be left with a perfectly drawn picture on your selected material. I use the washable Cricut pen today to draw on my material, but you can use any of the Cricut pens. Depending on the project you are creating will depend on the type of Cricut pen you wish to use. This now would be perfect if I wanted to make it into an embroidery or sewing project, because I could now sew around the outline that the Cricut machine has drawn, and then I could just apply some water and the washable pen would all be removed, so there would be no trace of it. Using your Cricut machine to be able to draw on material is a really fun way of making a cute little project. You can either draw cute little designs like I have, or you could even go as far as writing your children's names on material to sew into clothes, for example back to school, so things don't get lost. That's also a great way. Or if you're making projects and you want to add like a personalised tag inside, then they would also be really great for those as well. I really hope you found my tutorial helpful today. I will pop a link in the description below of all the materials I used, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching.